Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Leo Zodiac sign, Leo ascendants, Magam Puram, Uttaram First Padam, star viewers, December 2020, predictions general. Combination of stars for this month are quite favorable in your health side. Digestive problems so far faced will be significantly relieved. You have a fairly encouraging month in the matter of health. Finance is not so bright as the stars are in a forbidden mood. Strictly stay away from speculation and gambling. Bad time for investments and new ventures that should be shelved at this moment. A best month to achieve your target in the bullet in the career side. Your fine manner of dealing with your juniors and subordinates would make you to arrive at optimum benefits. Travel will give you gain and some old persons will help you that will boost your career. Most of you would work hard to realize your objectives. Students should work more hard to maintain their position in the classes. The situation will not be different for artistically inclined. They should be prepared to work hard and do extra work to be self-assertive and headstrong. Artists, singers, filmmakers has to travel though it seems to be unproductive. You should scrutinize your travel plan to shift the unnecessary from necessary or necessary to unnecessary. A month which your family life will be cheerful and harmonious. Family will be influenced by your conduct and with their wholehearted blessings will be there for you. Pleasant situation in the family make children to study well and with good behavior. You will do financially well with certain sudden gains. Sometimes children may behave in an unruly manner, so parents have to discipline them. If you go in detail, your sign lord sun in the 4th house, Scorpio along with Mercury and Dragon Ketu. So finance, fund flow and profits will be on a higher side. Building contractor, transport business and manufacturers may progress. In the rear half of the month, Sun moves to Sagittarius and aspects over your profit house, Gemini, along with Mercury. So there won't be any bumps in fund flow. 2nd and 11th house Lord Mercury in the first half of the month in your 4th house Scorpio and in the rear half of the month in the 5th house Sagittarius. So your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Gains from business will be as per your expectation. Education will be on the brighter side. Mothers will support and help you financially. 3rd and 10th house Lord Venus make all your efforts successful. Younger siblings will be helpful. Women artists will flourish. Favorable month for marketing professionals. You may get fortune from wife. Old ladies in the family will be helpful. Be away from court cases and controversies as your 4th and 9th house Lord Mars in Pisces is aspected over by Saturn. Do take care of your mother's health. You won't get the help of father. There may be some problems with immovable properties. 5th and 8th house Lord Jupiter in the 6th house Capricorn along with Saturn may make you spend more on children. You may get pay hike or promotions as Jupiter is placed in the 6th house, that is career house. Workload will be more as Jupiter is with Saturn. Jupiter aspects over 10th house Taurus, 12th house Cancer, 2nd house Virgo. Business, trade and career will flourish. Any project will be successful in a larger scale as Dragon Rahu is aspected over by Jupiter in the 10th house. There may be celebrations and joyful occasions in the family. Fund flow will be flawless. 6th and 7th house Lord Saturn in the 6th house may increase your workload. Saturn aspects over 8th house Pisces, 12th house Cancer, 3rd house Libra. Avoid controversies and court cases. You cannot escape from tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. There may be delays in your efforts. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. Flexibility and give and take policy will be the best for spouse relationship. 4th house Dragon Ketu makes you involved spiritually, religiously with yoga and meditation. Month begins with moon in the 10th house. Moon moves to 8th house on December 22nd and 23rd. On these days, be careful, avoid travels and new ventures and controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. There is no problem with the daily routines. Based on Moon's transit, favorable dates are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 21st, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. On the whole, almost December is a favorable month. Praying to Lord Sun and Lord Mahadeva will be beneficial. If your ascendant falls in this sign itself, predictions given may be adopted. If your ascendant is different, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirukanitam Panjangam. Planetary status for December 2020 are: December 10th, Venus moves to Scorpio. December 15th, Sun moves to Sagittarius. December 17th, Mercury transits to Sagittarius. December 23rd, Mars moves to Aries. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.